They're not just plants, they're molecular factories with 50 million years of R&D. And unlike pills, they work without bankrupting you or destroying your liver. This gel contains aseminon, a sugar molecule that tricks your skin into regenerating twice as fast. Johns Hopkins proved it outperforms standard burn creams. Yet you can grow it on your windowsill. When disaster strikes, the UN drops these seeds, not water bottles. Each one contains proteins that act like molecular Velcro, ripping apart cholera and E. coli in minutes. Big Pharma's worst nightmare. This golden molecule doesn't just mask pain, it hunts down inflammation at the genetic level. And unlike Advil, it won't eat holes in your stomach. Doctors once laughed at this snake oil, until brain scans proved it regrows neural connections. Now Swiss clinics prescribe it for Alzheimer's prevention. When seconds count, this plant beats modern first aid. Its achelion compounds trigger instant platelet clumping, nature's version of quick clot. Plants don't use single bullets like drugs, they deploy molecular SWAT teams. That's why turmeric has 7 backup systems when curcumin gets busy. Pharma spends billions to convince you plants are folklore. Share this video to break the spell and grow your own health revolution.